Hi everyone, and today we have this platform called LearnWorlds, and this is going to be an amazing platform for AI powered LMS or learning management system for course creators. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to simply donate to our channel, so that is going to be super awesome. Alright, so talking about the dashboard, here you can see we have different type of sections for our course creation processes. If we want to customize our school's website, and learning management system is composed of different options for the teachers and the students. So you can add your courses in your courses section, your grade books, certificates, review center, and question banks, and much more. So you can create your first course using this option. You can add name, title, so on and so forth, and your course will be added in here. Similarly, if you want to simply choose to set up your website, you can do that as well. It have its own design. You can choose from different templates. I have chosen this one, and if you want to edit it, click on this option. You will be directed towards different templates. Just wait for a couple of seconds and you will be amazed by the options of templates it has to offer. So the loading is almost completed. So here, as you can see, this is how it is going to be looking like. We have created this website using the template and it looks super awesome. You can create it for yourself as well, and everything in here is totally customizable and accessible. Now coming back, you will be able to see that we have more options in here as well. So this is basically the preview that I was viewing at, and now we have other options as well, like for example users, communications, marketing, reports, also mobile app, and much more. So an amazing and one of my favorite platform, and must recommend it. Make sure to check this platform out. And talking about reviews, if you want to make sure about the reviews, it is all definitely going to be 5-star. You can see the best, most versatile learning platform, great customer service, and much more. So make sure to give it a try, guys, and you can head over to the link in the description for extended free trial as well as exclusive benefits and rewards. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.